Hello, I'm Neil Vill, Chairman and CEO of World Data Products Incorporated, speaking to you from our 60,000 square foot facility here in Plymouth, Minnesota, USA. We appreciate this opportunity to talk to the BrokerBin community for a few minutes about our business. World Data was founded in 1987 as an independent reseller of IT hardware, originally manufactured by brands such as Cisco, HP, Dell, IBM, and others. Since then, we've expanded to include a significant repair business, which repairs all of those products and others, going down to the board level. About 10 years ago, we acquired a company in the certified tape media business, and that business also got us into the ITAD services arena, which we've been doing for about the past 10 years. Very recently, we were certified in a number of ITAD areas, including R2V3, a number of ISO standard certifications, and the ASCDI ITAD certification. World Data has been a member of the BrokerBin network for about the last 16 years, and BrokerBin has really helped us grow our business with buying and selling opportunities and identifying new customers and new vendors. As you can see from behind me, above me, and on all sides, we have about 600,000 items here in inventory in Plymouth, Minnesota. All of which is fully refurbished, tested, and ready to ship. So if we can help any of you in any way, please let us know. Our contact information is on the BrokerBin site or at WDPI.com. Thank you very much, and we appreciate your business.